So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can allow pop-ups in your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So let's get right into the video. So guys, just go ahead and open your browser. I'm choosing Safari. So just go ahead and tap on Safari menu and you can find the settings options right here. Tap on there and now you'll be given this page. So guys, you can see many options like general, tabs, autofill, password, search, security, privacy, and many more. We just need to go ahead and tap on websites right here. And now out of all these options, just go ahead and tap on pop-up windows. And once you're there, you can just see this option that says block and notify, block and allow. Since we're allowing pop-up notifications, we just need to go ahead and tap on allow and that will do the trick. So guys, that's how you allow pop-ups in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.